Today we're making awesome cupcakes. Hi again, it's me, the Commander Cupcake.
Hey everybody, sample, what's going on? We've got nailed it, cupcakes!
Welcome at Sample, we're making cupcakes. The vanilla cupcakes right now. And after that, we're gonna make chocolate cupcakes.
This is our recipe. It's gonna be tasty.
What are you bringing from there?
Eggs. I think we're out of oil.
What are you gonna do now?
Now I'm gonna mix it.
What's the best part about baking, Andy?
Lick it. How to bake, I have to hit the panic button. So in case I get 3-4 minutes, like if I press it, don't.
And here we are in the middle of the panic.
Okay. So, I did the timer. Now I'm gonna decorate my cupcakes with the Nutella. I did it. I hope you like it. I'm making the frosting into the delicious cookie. Now I'm getting excited because now we're gonna put the nose. I put the nose and that's my job. Now I did the nose, it's time for the eyes. Watch me do it. I keep on doing it. Well, I'm done. Nailed it. So let me give you these cupcakes, bunnies. And I made it for Mr. Bunny and Mrs. Bunny. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you like it. Make sure to subscribe and leave a comment below to see one of my videos that you want to see me bake. Adios.